Hi, I'm Maxine Samanteris and Felix from Group 2, reporting about the instrumental music in Indonesia, Gamelan Ensemble. Our group objectives are to identify the instrumental music in Indonesia, Gamelan Ensemble, and to analyze musical elements of selected songs and instrumental pieces heard and performed. Take a look at this photo.
The photo was taken in Museo Nacional de las Culturas, Mexico, where the India Suara group played the Sundanese Gamelan Degong. The group played the instruments together as a gamelan ensemble performance. Gamelan is part of the Indonesian culture in their music. Indonesian Gamelan Ensemble is the traditional instrumental ensemble of Indonesia, also known as Gamelan Orchestra.
The two main styles of Gamelan Orchestra are Balinese Gamelan Ensemble from Bali, Indonesia, and Javanese Gamelan Ensemble from Java, Indonesia. You guys are probably wondering how you can distinguish the Javanese Gamelan from the Balinese Gamelan. Well, the Javanese Gamelan is used for court music, percussion dominated, and the style of playing gives solemn character. On the other hand, Balinese Gamelan is used for sacred music. It consists of metallophones and mostly gongs. It has a sudden change of tempo, and dynamics are the basic characteristic. The sounds are very bright and brilliant. Use of fast and rattling sound of cymbals makes distinctive characters.
Hi, I'm Russell Jane G. Jokino from Group 2. Gamelan is the tradition ensemble music of the Javanese, Sundanese, and Balinese people of Indonesia, made up predominantly and percussive instruments. The most common instruments used are metallophones, played by mallets, and a set of hand-played drums called kendang, which register the beat. Gamelan, the term for traditional musical ensemble in Indonesia, typically refers to a percussion orchestra composed predominantly of tuned gongs of various types and metal key instruments. The ensemble is conducted by a drummer and often includes voice, bamboo flute, xylophone, and string instrument. And here's some photo of that instrument.
Hi, my name is Crisanta Imara G. Ejek Bonang. Bonang, a collection of small gangs, sometimes it called kettles, are put. Places horizontally into strings in a wooden frame. Rankak, it usually plays the melody and gamelan music. Gender consists of 10 to 14 turned metal bars suspended over 4 turned resonator of bamboo or metal. Because the instrument has a strong sustain, the sound must be dampened with the rest after striking the next note. Report of chameleon assembly. Next are the picture of Bonang and gender. This is Bonang ensemble, and this is a gender
Hi, I'm Sarah May L. De La Rosa reporting for Group 2 in topic of instrumental music of Indonesia, Gamelan Ensemble. So my part in this project is about the instruments called saron and kenong. First of all, the saron is a musical instrument of Indonesia which is used in the gamelan and normally has 7 bronze bars placed on top of a resonating frame. It is usually about 20 centimeters high and it has a total of 3 types, and these are the demong, the barong, and the last one is the peking. And the next instrument is the kenong. The kenong is a musical instrument of Indonesia used in the gamelan. It has a kind of gong and is placed on its side. It has the same length and width. Thus, it is similar to the bonang, kempiang, and ketu, which are also cradled gongs. Kenongs are generally much longer than the aforementioned instruments.
My name is Isaiah Rapa Escabellion from Group 2, reporting kempol and gong ageng. A kempol is a type of hanging gong used in Indonesian gamelan. The kempol is a set of pitched, hanging knob gongs often made of bronze, wood, and cords. The gong ageng is an Indonesian musical instrument used in the Javanese gamelan. It is the largest of the bronze gongs in the Javanese and Balinese gamelan orchestra, and the only large gong that is called gong in Javanese. Gongs with diameter as large as 135 centimeters have been created in the past, but gongs larger than about 80 centimeters are more common, especially to suit the budget of educational institutions.
Gongs subukan are large gongs with definite pitch. A gong subukan is a metal gong idiophone of the Javanese people of Java, Indonesia. Although Javanese forged bronze gongs in general are remarkable products of highly skilled and admired craftsmen. Kendang is a double-headed barrel drum in gamelan. It signals the tempo, style, and starting and finishing points to the rest of the orchestra. Kendang is one of the primary instruments used in the gamelan ensembles of Javanese, Sundanese, and Balinese. The kendang ensemble as well as various kulintang ensembles in Indonesia, Brunei, Malaysia, Singapore, and the Philippines. It is constructed in a variety of ways by different ethnic groups. It is a relation to the Indian miridangam double-headed drum. Cheng-cheng is a set of small cymbals attached to a base, often in the form of a turtle, which when struck rapidly by a similar pair of cymbals held in the hand of the player provides a rapid and varying rhythmic accompaniment to many types of Balinese music. Cheng-cheng is the most important instrument in the set of Balinese gamelan. It is made from copper and jackfruit wood. This copper creates crashing and shimmering sound.
Did you know that stepping over these instruments are considered to be rude and disrespectful? Because the gamelan instruments are considered sacred. To give more vibrancy in the gamelan performance, vocal music is added into it. This serves as a special ornamentation in the music.
Here are the things you should remember in today's lesson.
Thank you for listening. Once again, this is Group 2 Reporters. We hope you learned something about the instrumental music of Indonesia, Gamelan Orchestra. Keep safe, everyone. See ya!